Hi everyone! In today's art class, we're going to draw and learn about ladybugs. If this is your first time here, my name's Chris Fitz and this is my super simple art class for kids. Make sure you subscribe for a new art class each week. All right, let's go get your supplies. You're going to need a black pen or a marker, some colors, and a piece of paper. And if you need a little bit of extra help, there's a free tracing guide available on my website for download. Let's draw. Let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. Then a big circle around the 2 eyes for the head. You can go ahead and add a little line to show the top of the face. And with your marker at the top, draw 2 small antennae with a circle at each end. Ladybugs have 2 sets of wings. The hard exterior, which is typically red with some black polka dots, and the second set of wings is underneath, and those are used to fly. If a ladybug's land on you, consider yourself lucky, because many cultures around the world say that ladybugs are good luck. Now let's draw the body and some segments across the belly. To add the wings, draw a rainbow shape on both sides and then connect them with another line back to the body. Repeat this on both sides. Then go ahead and add the lower wings by drawing a few lines inside. Draw some circles all around the wings. Let's add some legs on the belly. 4 will do. Go ahead and draw 2 dots in the middle of the eyes. Ladybugs don't have any teeth. They have mandibles or moving mouth parts. They are super harmless to humans, in fact, very helpful to gardeners. They can eat up to 50 aphids a day. That's like fun. For a little fun, let's add some eyelashes to this ladybug. And a cute little smile. For movement, go ahead and add a few lines above and below the wings. This ladybug is flying, so we can add a little flight path with some small markings. Great job! Give yourself a pat on the back, you did it! Now it's time to color. If you're enjoying this art lesson, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. Not all ladybugs are black and white. There are over 6,000 types of ladybugs. Some can have stripes, some can have dots, and some no markings at all. In fact, the different markings that the ladybugs have help ward off predators by telling them, eat something else. The term ladybug originates back when European farmers used to pray to the Virgin Mary in hopes that she would protect their crops from pests. Hence the name Ladybug came to fruition. ladybug's main predators are birds, but they're also hunted by dragonflies, spiders, and wasps. When they start to feel threatened, they exude a stinky fluid from their knees. Some even say they bleed from their knees, and this is to help ward off predators to say, "Don't eat me, I'm gross." They also can pretend to play dead. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had just as much fun as I did. Go ahead and check out last week's art class here. And if there's something you want to draw and learn about, go ahead and let me know on Instagram. I can't wait to see what you create. See you next time.